Hello and welcome to the video. If this is your first time here, my name is Mike. If you've been here before, my name is still Mike, but you would have known that already. Way back in 1867, the Dominion of Canada was formed, and every year since then we celebrate on July 1st. Now, I debated releasing this video early so it would be on the actual day, but I figured most people would be out at Canada Day events in their communities. Anyway, I thought I'd toss together some Canadian footage and a few very patriotic songs for you to enjoy while you recover from yesterday's festivities. I'm going to stop talking now so you can enjoy the music and footage, but all that remains now is for me to remind you to subscribe if that's something you're into. Click or tap on the thumbs up button if you enjoy the video. Feel free to share the video with friends or family members who you think may enjoy it. And remember, you can follow Gradient Imaging on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. But until next week, bye-bye.